Top 3 benefits for the ketogenic diet. The keto diet does a pretty dang good job at being the potential causer of healing many horrible conditions. So let's cut through the science, separate fact from fiction, and look at the benefits of the keto diet. Benefit number 1: weight loss. It is one of the most common reasons people embark on the keto diet. For all of the following reasons. Firstly, the keto diet is composed of approximately 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% or fewer carbohydrates. The high fat content and lack of sugar mean diminished cravings, lack of blood sugar swings and binges, and increased satiation. And that means increased satiation equals eating less. Many people also have food sensitivities to grains, even gluten-free ones. So eliminating them may lead to an increased ability to absorb minerals like magnesium and potassium, which in turn means your body is more nourished and you have fewer cravings. Second, ketones. When your blood sugar is running low, your body turns to its glycogen stores for energy. Typically, glycogen stores house about 2,000 calories of backup energy for when you run out of glucose. Like the intelligent machine it is, your body depletes the glycogen stores and then turns to your body fat for fuel. Benefit number 2: brain function. A poorly functioning brain, as you may have already experienced, leads to lessened work productivity, which in turn means an unhappy boss, lack of job satisfaction, sugar cravings for energy, and depression. It's a horrible domino effect. The original ketogenic diet was formulated by Dr. Russell Wilder in the early 20th century to treat epilepsy. The success rate was phenomenal and it is still used today to treat epilepsy and other brain disorders. Benefit number 3: potential cancer benefits. One study showed implementing the ketogenic diet led to a dramatically increased survival time and slower tumor growth. Conclusion: if you're watching this video now, chances are you are in some sort of pain, whether physical and/or mental. If you are overweight and are struggling with autoimmune disorders, thyroid disease, fatigue, brain fog, and want to change, use this information. Don't just skim through it and store it in the back of your brain and say, "That's nice for some people." Motivate yourself to change. If you're ready to the change and reap benefits, click on the link in the video description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new,